Welcome to the instructions video for the Mirror Equation Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you solve curved mirror optics problems by calculating the relationship between focal length, object distance, and image distance. Whether you're designing telescopes, working with solar concentrators, or studying physics, this calculator makes mirror calculations quick and easy. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter values for your curved mirror system. Start by selecting whether you have a concave or convex mirror. Then enter two of the three main parameters: object distance, image distance, or focal length. For our example, let's enter an object distance of 25 centimeters and a focal length of 10 centimeters. The calculator will automatically compute the image distance, which tells you where the image forms. It also calculates the magnification factor, indicating whether the image is enlarged or reduced, and whether it's upright or inverted. The results show you all the optical characteristics you need for your mirror system design. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.